In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Shazam app to the latest version. So by updating your Shazam app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix bugs as well as fix security issues related to this app. Also, once you update your app, you'll also be able to access the latest version and the latest features that come with Shazam app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do to be able to update this Shazam app is to go to Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone and App Store if you are using an iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store. So if I go here, you can see I'm on my Play Store and I'll proceed and search for my app. And then I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now, currently, as you can see, we have an update available. This means I've been using an outdated version of Shazam app, which is not secure and doesn't contain the latest features. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update. And then this will proceed and download the latest version of this app and then install it on my smartphone. So once the installation is done, now you can see the button has changed to open, meaning you have the latest version of Shazam app. From here, proceed and tap on open to start using this latest version of Shazam app. So that's how you can update your Shazam app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.